What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be coating this Harley Davidson exhaust. We're going to Cerakote it jet black V-Series. I just got it sandblasted, time-lapse of it. Now they're going to go in the oven at 500 degrees for about an hour and a half to gas out. They will be pulled out, cooled down before they're sprayed, so stay tuned. Also, the reason why they're getting coated jet black is because from the factory they don't offer a black color. And for Groton Cycles, they have a customer that wants black, and so we're gonna make it black for him. So here we go. We got some V169 jet black. We'll be doing it on this jackpot exhaust. Like I said, the company that makes these doesn't offer them in black, so the customer wants it in black along with the two mid pipes. And I already did the bracket. There's a small bracket as well, but yeah, just shaking this up really well and then going to get it in the gun and start to spray. Okay, this is after they were sprayed. I did about 3 to 4 really light coats because I didn't want any runs, and they turned out really good. This camera probably doesn't do it justice. Now they gotta bake for a couple hours at 500 degrees, and then I'll show you what they look like after. So what it looks like baked. I just turned the oven off, so it's still almost 500 degrees right now. But yeah, it looks like it turned out real good. And I'll show you guys when it cools down. There's one of the header pipes. Here's the muffler. And then here's another exhaust pipe, the longer of the two. Came out sweet. One piece at a time, I'll show you. They all came out sweet. This is the shorter of the two head pipes. And this is the longer of the two head pipes. Came out awesome. Customer's gonna be really happy. Groton Cycles is gonna be happy, and hoping to do more work with them in the future for sure. Okay, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now, please, if you want to learn more about the Cerakote, feel free to ask me some more questions in the comments below. I can give you some of my gun specs. You know, I use acetone, some of the safety equipment you need, etc., etc. I also recommend subscribing if this is what you like to see. Cerakoting stuff, sandblasting stuff, as well as powder coating stuff. You guys will definitely want to stay tuned because I have a lot of that I do all the time, and I'd love to share it with you guys. So please, you know, stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.